how to turn on or turn off fast charging on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on battery. Then scroll down and tap on charging settings. Now in here, tap on fast charging. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on fast charging. And that's it. After that, you should be able to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 device really fast. Now, in order for you to charge your phone super fast, you need a fast charging cable as well as a fast charger. If you have an old, slow, or a low amperage charger, then you will not be able to charge your phone fast enough. So again, the phone has the capability to charge really fast, but you also need a good fast charger as well as the good fast charging cable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.